out. We're gonna put this joint in the air fryer.
The best fragrances are here.
And I'm gonna make some chicken salad. How about that? Chicken salad in the making. Yes, I have a commercial air fryer, so all of these can fit in. And still have them to cook properly. I'm gonna show you. Hold on. Who's that? Let me get them all out.
I'm glad for you. Very, very. Because this is a new day. It's going to be a little different. Like how? Like when I talk, Frank has, you don't. Is this something you want to share with the rest of the class?
I'm just hooking up with my girl.
Well, I tell you what. You must think it was me. I'm going to kick you out. What you think of that?
Well, I'm gonna kick you out. What you think of that?
And you. This is not Elizabeth Arden's thing.
See?
You want to beat that mug of yours? You do it at home.
The chicken over. Let's turn the flash on so y'all can get a picture what the chicken is giving. You know what I mean? It's giving what it's supposed to give, but let's flip it over now. You know what I mean? I left my oh, look at that. I left my tripod in the living room because I was doing something else in there. But I wanted y'all to see the chicken before the salad. You know what I mean? The chicken before the salad, baby. The chicken before the salad. Did I turn this one over? Hold on. It's so hard to hold this goddamn on camera and cook. I gotta get got it with that. That's why I brought my tripod downstairs today. Then I left the goddamn thing in the goddamn living room. But anyway, they all in there. So now we're gonna put it back in. They got 9 minutes left. Then we're gonna make some chicken salad.